Meet the Carter family, Matt, Laura, and their teens Scott and Bill. The Carters are worried because the house that they have lived in for over 30 years is in need of urgent repairs and upgrades. The Carters have been lifelong residents of Salina, Texas, and members of Mobility Credit Union. The Carters decide to leverage the value of their home to fund the repairs and upgrades. After looking at the Mobility Credit Union website, the Carters decide that their best option is a home equity line of credit. After speaking to a financial services officer, they determined that the HELOC loan will allow them to borrow their needed amount, $100,000, with no closing costs, and would not require them to take a lump sum payout. The Carter family is eager to get their house in tip-top shape, and a HELOC loan will help them get there. Is your house in need of repairs and upgrades? Call us at 214-574-2000.